Here we have a cuckoo quail clock by Hubert Herr. Um, I was up in Springfield yesterday. A friend of mine had it. I worked on it up there, but I decided to bring it home. But the quail side works perfect, but these two little pins are supposed to trip the cuckoo side, and it wasn't working. So I had a exact same movement that I took out of one of my clocks to figure out what was wrong with it. And we'll show you what was wrong with it in the next video. But again, it's got these two little pins on it to activate the cuckoo clock. One for the half hour, one for the hour. This is a newer cuckoo quail clock, because the antique cuckoo quail clocks only have one pin on it to activate the cuckoo clock on the hour. Or maybe I just haven't came across one that has two pins on it to activate the cuckoo clock for both the half hour and the hour. It's a possibility that they could have made some that cuckooed on the half hour, but from my experience, I have two Hubert Herr cuckoo quail clocks. One has got one pin and one has got two pins. The one that has two pins is a newer cuckoo quail clock. We'll show you what I had to do to it in the next video.